Hi, we're Hannah and Oli, and this is our new Howdens kitchen. So it's an old property and the 1950s kitchen just wasn't working for our family. In a new kitchen, we were looking for somewhere that felt really calm and relaxing. After a busy day, you just want somewhere that doesn't feel too cluttered and feels like a real nice family space.
We used a company called Aston Kitchens, a guy called Pete who worked around the clock.
We found Pete through a word of mouth recommendation, didn't we? So through a friend. I think that's always a nice way to find a tradesperson.
Yeah, he did say that all the drawings, designs were really well laid out and easy to work from.
Yeah, and the kitchen was easy to fit. So as soon as we went up to Expo, we were drawn to the Clerkenwell Metallic.
Yeah, throughout the day you'll notice just subtle changes and it'll get slightly lighter and darker throughout the day.
Yeah, and being able to pair it with the sandstone was amazing as well. It just breaks it up a little bit and makes the space feel a bit lighter. We got all of our products from Howdens, didn't we?
Pretty much everything, yeah. Skirting board, architrave, flooring.
Worktop, cabinet, appliances. I mean, the experience with Howdens has been great, hasn't it? So easy. It was amazing to get the designs and the kitchens from one place and just let them work with our tradesperson. We would definitely recommend using a trade professional. We couldn't have done it without Pete, that's for sure.